Assalamu alaikum, dear friends and colleagues. We are continuing our series on why air conditioners cool weakly. In the previous lesson, we discussed how a dirty indoor unit can damage the compressor valves. In this lesson, we will explain how a dirty outdoor unit can cause the compressor windings to burn out. For example, the outdoor unit you see on the screen now is located on the first floor of a building. Even though it was cleaned just 8 months ago, you can see yourself how dirty it has already become. Although rain and snow provide some cleaning, the outdoor unit must be cleaned along with the indoor unit. When the outdoor unit is dirty, the refrigerant vapors condense at a much higher temperature and pressure. According to calculations, a 1 Kelvin rise in condensation temperature reduces the net refrigeration effect by 1%. For instance, if the air temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, the condensation temperature is typically 45 degrees Celsius. If the condensation temperature rises to 55 degrees Celsius due to a dirty outdoor unit, the net refrigeration effect will decrease by 10%. Dear colleagues, looking at the capillary tube AC chart, we see that despite a 20 Kelvin increase, the cooling capacity drops only by 8.5%. However, considering compressor overheating and increased energy consumption, the overall efficiency will actually drop by 20%. Customers notice the weak cooling especially when the air temperature rises above 35 degrees Celsius. At such temperatures, the impact of every small fault is felt immediately. A dirty outdoor unit causes the compressor to compress refrigerant vapors at a much higher pressure. This results in compressor overheating and a drop in the coefficient of performance. Compressor overheating is a serious issue because it leads to oil degradation and poor lubrication. Even if the windings don't burn out, the volumetric efficiency weakens and internal leakage occurs. Compressing at high pressure also means the air conditioner uses much more electricity. Let's calculate. A clean 24,000 BTU air conditioner consumes about 2.7 kilowatt of energy. If the outdoor unit is dirty, the device will use an additional 0.5 kilowatt of energy every hour. If we take the price of 1 kilowatt at 18 cents, our air conditioner will eat an extra 9 cents of energy every hour. Operating the device for 10 to 12 hours a day results in a loss of up to $30 per month. Generally, a dirty outdoor unit often leads to the burning out of the compressor windings. Customers don't notice the weakness when it is 30 to 32 degrees Celsius. But we recommend cleaning at least every 2 years. Cleaning the outdoor unit may seem easy, but you must be very careful due to the electrical power supply. I strongly recommend entrusting this task to a professional air conditioner technician. Professional technicians perform this job using special high-pressure equipment. Since the technician knows the correct angle for the water spray, they don't cause any damage to the unit. Thank you for watching us until the end.